holistic approach may be the key to curing addiction. Though the medical profession labels alcoholism and addiction America's #1 health problems as incurable diseases that are manageable at best, one man is determined to prove that there is a complete cure for those twin demons. According to Chris Prentiss, co-founder of the world-famous Passages Rehab Center in Malibu, California, and author of the new book, The Alcoholism Addiction Cure, a holistic approach to total recovery, the current treatment methods are obsolete. Prentiss says that alcohol and drugs are not the problem. It will be clear to anyone who thinks about it, he says, that we are using drugs and alcohol to try and cope with lives that are not working. We use them to change the way we feel, to blur the images that haunt us, to deal with failure, broken hearts, growing up, stress, depression, trauma, and all the other events that regularly befall all of us. Once the real reasons we are drinking and using addictive drugs are discovered and cured, our dependency disappears along with our cravings. Although that's a strong claim, Prentiss relies on statistics to prove his point. In an era when the national relapse rate is between 80% and 90%, Passages reports that 84.6% of their graduates have remained sober. Prentiss' book describes the Passages' holistic 3-step program in detail, and it lists what he claims are the 4 causes of dependency and how to cure them. He says that each person's reasons for using substances are unique, and therefore each person's treatment, if it is to succeed, must also be unique. Prentiss became involved in the field to save his son's life from 10 years of addiction to heroin, cocaine, and alcohol.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.